What's going on, guys? In today's video I'm going to show you how to make your first $100 with affiliate marketing using other people's content. As you can see right here, I used one of my old ClickBank accounts to test if this method is even working, and as you can see I got my first sale within the first 24 hours and I made $135, and all I did was just use other people's content to promote my affiliate link without stealing anything, simply just by copying and pasting one simple website. And then I'm going to show you this traffic hack boost that I used myself. Now this method is going to work worldwide. It's going to work for any affiliate marketplace out there, whether ClickBank, Digistore, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, Share a Sale. With this method, and you are still going to make money with it. So before we get started, make sure to hit the like button under this video to help me with the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe to this channel to never miss out on any of my future uploads, and make sure to comment down below something into the comment section. I would greatly appreciate it. Okay guys, so this method is going to work with any affiliate marketplace out there. If you want to use JVZoo or even Digistore24 or ClickBank.com, or you can use this even with Warrior Plus affiliate marketplace, but this is like the last pick that I would go for with using this method. And if you want to make some money with Warrior Plus affiliate marketplace, I highly recommend that you check out my coaching program in the first link in the video description, where I'm going to show you how I'm making anywhere between $6,000 to $7,000 per month with affiliate marketing without showing my face anywhere on the internet, without using any of my social media or this YouTube channel, still getting results just like these. Just check out the first link in the video description and I hope to see you there. And if you're going to go to Google and you're going to search for best affiliate marketing niches 2023, and if you're going to scroll through some of these websites, you may find an article that's going to look something like this, that's going to tell you which affiliate marketing niches are trending right now. And from my experience, you can always find something like health and wellness in there, combined with finance and beauty and cosmetics. And also in this day and age, there's always going to be a push for all these tech, gaming, for example, technical stuff that's going to be working just as well. Now, because summer is already here, you can see that something like health and wellness or dietary supplements, pretty much anything to do with weight loss, is still going to work very well. So that's one of the reasons why I tested out this method with weight loss niche, and it has worked for me. So what you want to do is just go to your favorite affiliate marketplace, and if you're going to be using ClickBank, pretty much what you want to do is just sign up for your free account and then just log right into it. And once you log into your account, you want to navigate to the affiliate marketplace, and here you want to choose the niche that you want to be promoting. As I said before, I'm going to show you how to do this with weight loss niche because I have tested it out and it has worked for me very well. And right here at the top, you can see, for example, this product right here that's called Alpilean, and as you can see right here, this has very good stats. It has gravity score of 641, which is incredibly good for such an affiliate marketing product, and the average conversion on this is $135. So pretty much this means for every sale of this product, on average, you are going to make this amount of money. Now, if you have been watching my videos for some time now, you can see that Alpilean is something that's on ClickBank for some time now, and it's still selling very well. So if you're going to go to the sales page of this product, you can see this product is promoting these dietary weight loss pills that are supposed to be very good at making people lose weight without any exercise. So you want to search for a product that's going to have some kind of a hook like this. For example, this one is going to help you lose weight without any exercise. This information is very important because we are going to use that as a hook to promote this very effectively. So what you want to do next is just go to the very same platform that you're watching this video on right now. Just go to YouTube, and what you want to search for in the search bar is something that has to do with the product. For example, Alpilean pills are promoting weight loss without exercise, so that's exactly what I'm going to search for. And you want to scroll through these videos and find one that's going to fit that niche very well. For example, right here you can see this video with a very catchy title that's going to say something like exercise isn't the best way to lose weight, which is going to be working very well for this method. And I have used this exact video before, because if exercise isn't the best way to lose weight, it's going to imply there are other ways to lose weight effectively. So pretty much once you find a video just like this, you don't even have to open it up. All you need to do is just right click on it and you want to copy link address. Then what you want to do is go to this website right here that's called write.ly, Writely, and you want to sign up for your free account if you don't have one already. Pretty much just click on start free trial right here. You need to put in your email address, then you will receive a registration code, and once you put it into Writely, you can log into your account. Once you're going to log into your account, what you want to do is to navigate to this section where it says create new ad, and you want to click on it, and then just go ahead and name it something just for your own reference. This doesn't have to be anything special, this is just for your own reference. You can also go ahead and choose one of these two domains, how your link is going to look like in the end. So for example, let's go with this one right here that's called right link, and then just click on add, and now you get to create this ad from scratch. What you want to do in this toolbar on the left side, you want to choose how your ad's going to look like, and what I highly recommend is that you select image and go for this bottom left section, because that way this is going to resemble YouTube ads most, and because we are going to be promoting this ad on YouTube video, which I'm going to show you how to do that in just a couple of seconds. But make sure you're going to select this image and left, and you want to make sure that's going to be shown after a certain amount of seconds. You don't want to be popping it up right away, because that way it's going to be too annoying, and you don't want to be popping it too late because people are not going to be watching that long. What you want to do is go ahead and use something like 10-second delay for this, because anywhere between 7 to 10 seconds is the exact amount of attention people are going to dedicate to this video. Some of them are going to be watching shorter, some of them are going to be watching longer, but from my previous experience, 10 seconds is exactly the right amount of time. Then you get to create the body of the ad, which is going to require an image and some creative text. And for this, what you want to do is go back to ClickBank and you want to go to the affiliate page of the product, where you can usually find the most accurate resources that you can use for such promotions. So for example, I'm going to scroll down here, and as you can see, you've got all these nice, very high quality looking images of the product itself. So I'm just going to download one, for example, like this. Just open it up, right click and save it to your computer. And once you're going to upload the image, it's going to look something like this. What I'm also going to do is make it a little bit smaller, because I don't want to be covering it most of the screen. So I'm just going with something like 350 pixels for width, and it's going to look something like this. Okay, then what you want to do is go to these sound settings, and you want to click on alert sound. This way this ad is going to pop up with an alert sound, and it's going to draw a lot more attention. Then for this button text, you want to change it into something that's going to capture the attention. For that, what you want to type in there is something like "no more sweating, lose weight easily with Alpiline," or pretty much something like that. That's going to capture the attention of whoever's going to be seeing this ad. And then in this custom button link, what you want to do is go ahead and jump back to ClickBank, and you want to click on promote and grab your affiliate link. Just type in your ClickBank nickname, click on promote, you want to copy your affiliate link, then go back to Rightly and paste it in here, and that way this button is going to take anybody who's going to click on it to the sales page of the product, and once they are going to make a purchase, you are going to get paid. Then what you can also do is go ahead and customize this logo right here that's going to be displayed at the bottom of the ad, but because it's very small and it's not very visible, I'm just going to leave it in there, and then I'm going to click on done. Now what you want to do is actually place the ad that you have created into this YouTube video that you have chosen earlier. So what you want to do is just copy its link one more time, go back to Rightly, paste it in there, and what you want to make sure is you're going to select the right ad that you have just created to be embedded into this YouTube video. And right here you get your own custom link that's going to be embedded with the ad, so every time somebody is going to click on it, they will be taken to the video, and once they are going to play it, after a couple of seconds, they are going to be seeing this ad that you have created. Now what you want to do is just get tons of traffic to this link with the video, and to do that, what you want to do is just copy it, and you want to go to Twitter. Now all you need to do here is just post a simple tweet containing the link to the video, something like "no more exercise, lose weight easily without working out with Alpiline." Then just go ahead and paste the shortened Rightly link that's going to be taking people to the video, and if you want, you can also go ahead and add a bunch of hashtags just for good measure. But you don't have to worry that much about that, because I'm going to show you how to actually boost this tweet and make it go viral. So all you want to do is just make sure you're going to tweet this, then just go to Google and you want to search for AddMeFast. Hit search on that, and what you want to do is go to this first website right here that's called AddMeFast.com. And if you've never been on this website before, what you want to do is sign up for your free account. Once you do that, you want to log right into it, and once you log into your AddMeFast account, it's going to look something like this. Now what this website is doing is like a social media marketing exchange, where it's going to be sharing whatever you're going to post on it in exchange for you and helping it to get to more people. As you can see right here, I got still some points left from my previous campaign that I've been running on here, and what you want to do first is just earn these points, because that way you will be able to post ad of your own. Pretty much to do that, what you want to do is go to this toolbar on the left and choose what you want to do to earn points. For example, if I'm going to go to Twitter followers, you will get an option to follow different Twitter accounts for a couple of these points. Now these points are going to vary. I had some that I followed for 4 points, I had some that I followed for 20 points, so you will have to go ahead and follow a bunch of these accounts first, which is like a very easy thing to do. It takes just a couple of seconds, and then once you get enough points, what you want to do is go to this toolbar and click on add site/link, and you want to post a simple simple ad right here. What you want to do is go for these Twitter retweets, because this way the tweet that you have posted is going to be shared with tons of people and making it go viral, and all you have to do is just post your tweet's ID. To do that, go back to Twitter and just click on it, and from the URL bar you want to copy the very long number that's going to be in there, which is going to be the tweet's ID. It's going to look something like this. I mean, this is going to be different for everybody, but if you're going to check the URL of the tweet, you're going to see this very long number, and that's what you want to go with. Then in this CPC, which is pretty much like a cost per click, how much points you want to pay for each retweet, you can go with something like 10, anywhere between 5 to 10 is very good option depending on how many points you want to spend, and then just click on save changes. And that way you will post an ad for this tweet to be retweeted, and every time somebody's going to see it, they will want to see how to lose weight without exercise, they will click on the shortened right link video, they will see the pop-up ad, be taken to the sales page, and every time they're going to make a purchase, you're going to get paid your commission. Now this method is one of the best ways for complete beginners to make their first $100 online with affiliate marketing, but if you want to learn the exact same method that I'm using to make anywhere between $6,000 to $7,000 per month with affiliate marketing without showing my face anywhere on the internet, just check out the first link in the video description, and I hope to see you there. Now if you want to see some more money making content, try checking out this video right here, for example, or you can check out a bunch of these on the left side next to the video right in the scroll bar. Other than that, I just hope you have a fantastic day, and I'm going to see you next time.